Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal, and hello everyone. Today I'm making spicy Mexican steak and it's authentically known as Carne Asada. This recipe is long overdue and is requested by Shaista Tabassum, one of my recipes for Ramadan, because it's not a lot of hard work and you don't have to stand on the stove for more than 7 to 8 minutes. Do try this, super healthy, it's not fatty at all, and give me a lot of feedback when you try it. The ingredients for Mexican steak are 1 pound top sirloin steak, or any steak of your choice, 1 pound. It'll serve around 2 people. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 jalapenos, 1 cup of cilantro, 1/4 cup of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and juice of 2 lime. So I just took my smoothie blender because I'm broke and I haven't bought a new blender, and I've already added the jalapenos and the olive oil in it. I'm going to add the black pepper, the salt, the cup of cilantro, vinegar, orange juice that I almost spilled all of it outside, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and juice of 2 lime. I've made a lot of mess, let me clean that up first. Guys, don't forget to help your sisters, mothers, daughters, and wives in the kitchen during Ramadan. So now I'm going to do a little marinade trick, and it's called the magic of YouTube. I'm going to close the lid, and our marinade is ready. It looks like chutney, but we will marinate our beef in it for 6 hours or overnight, it's up to you. How we are going to do that, just look at me right now. We will take a plastic Ziploc bag and add all of the marinade inside this bag. I'm going to add the steak inside this, close the Ziploc, rub it properly, and leave this in the fridge for 6 hours to overnight. It's up to you. I'm going to leave this overnight because I have some guests coming in right now, and I'll make this tomorrow. I just warmed up my griddle pan, or my grill pan. I put some oil on it. I'm going to brush it off with a paper towel cloth. Brush it nicely all the way around. So I'm going to put the marinated beef on it. To cook it well done, I'm going to grill it for 7 to 8 minutes on both sides. So this is it. Our steak is done. We're going to take it off and put it in a plate, cool it down, and move towards making a salad. I'm just going to make a rough salsa type of thing with 2 avocados, 7 small grape tomatoes. You can use 1 big tomato as well, but cut it into like small chunks. Same I'm going to do with this onion. I'm going to cut it in like small chunks, and then add a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of cumin powder, and drizzle some lime juice over it. Let's do it. Cut the onions first. So black pepper, salt, and cumin powder. Not only that, but a bit of chopped cilantro. And we are going to mix it up. Make this beautiful multicolored guacamole. I'm going to cut the steak in slices. If you like this recipe, don't forget to press like, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for constant recipe notifications, and don't forget to share it with your friends and families. I'll see you with another recipe pretty soon. Until then, it's goodbye. This is our Carne Asada spicy Mexican steak.